I'm here at Equip Expo with Chris of No Mo Worries, one of my first lawn care web design clients. Chris, tell me how your website has helped your business.
Yeah, so before I had Ryan build my website, I had a free Google website that I did myself when I first started. And within about a year, I've gone from, in my Google business, from ranking maybe under top 10 to ranking third in my area. And this year, I've doubled my business. I haven't spent much on marketing at all, like no print marketing. The only thing I've paid for is my website, and I've probably generated about 250 leads for free, essentially, through my website. So I highly recommend going with Ryan. He's very easy to work with, and his SEO is great. Whatever he quotes you guys, just go with it. It's a phenomenal experience in terms of getting signed up with your logos, descriptions, and such. He is very quick to respond, and overall, I highly recommend Ryan.